got a secret, I gotta keep it. No, I ain't about to jinx it though.
It ain't his record. He stole it from somebody else.
Had before.
现场吗？唱。
举办好了，
这也象征着我们其实加冕之路一定是会有困难的，一定是走过了荆棘密布的。
非常祝您身材好了。OK， 来，非常香的朋友们，欢迎热烈把掌声。